In this lesson, I will give you a quick introduction to the basic elements of SQL. This will allow you to navigate the concepts and exercises in the rest of the course. SQL is designed for a specific task to operate and manage a relational database. While capable of complex operations, SQL is a simple language with a simple syntax. SQL statement in general looks like this line. As you see, it is terminated with a semicolon. The semicolon may not always be required in all contexts and all implementations, but it is usually a good idea to include it. In this example, we have a select statement that retrieves rows from the cars table where the model column is equal to the value of a literal string Ford. An SQL statement often includes one or more clauses. This is a form clause. This specifies which table the select statement will use. Likewise, the where clause is used to specify which rows will be selected. The where clause requires an expression. Expressions are common in SQL and may be used with many clauses. All these parties together constitute a statement. A statement may be simple or it may be complex. There are four fundamental operations in a database system, which are create, read, update, and delete. In this lesson, I will give you a quick brief about each of them, and in the other lessons in this course, we will go in deep details for each of them. The most common statement is select, which is the R in the CRUD. The select statement is used to get data from the database, and the general syntax for it is like this, and as you see, it is terminated with a semicolon. And as I mentioned, maybe the semicolon is not required in all syntaxes, but it is a good practice to terminate all your syntaxes with a semicolon. We will cover some of its most important features and options, which allows you to easily select rows and columns from a table in the other lessons in this course. The second function of SQL is insert. The insert statement is used to add a row to a table. This is the C in CRUD. With insert, you need to specify the table name as we did here. The cars is the table name. Also, you need to specify the columns and the value or the data which need to be filled into those columns. Note that the insert function is separated in two lines. This is a good technique or a common technique for improving readability. Also, we terminated the insert statement with a semicolon. The update statement is used to change or update data. This is the U in CRUD. As you see, it starts with update, then the table name. Then I have used the where clause to select which row or rows are to be updated. And to improve readability, I have wrote the statement in several lines. And I have terminated the statement with a semicolon. The delete statement is used to remove rows from a table. This is the D in CRUD. Again, the where clause is used to select row or rows are deleted. You will see examples of these statements in the rest video of this course, and I will go into a lot more detail on each of these statements later in this course.